초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Cold. That's how she's treating me right now after that dinner. Sumusulyap lang ako sa kanya habang tinatahak namin ang daan papuntang club kung saan kami ay may misyon. But she was just looking straight on the road. Katahimikan ang bumabalot sa amin. I know she's mad dahil hindi ko sinabi sa kanya kung ano ang meron sa tawag na natanggap ko kanina. As if it's really important. And I didn't expect that Ariana could enter our house and act like that. Venus is jealous. I knew it. And the way she said, "I'm his man" a while ago made me smile. She's being territorial and I like it that she said of her. But I need to explain to her about Ariana and about what happened. She needs it. I'm gonna explain to her later after our mission. And fuck, I hate what she's wearing right now. Yes, she looks hot, sexy, and damn beautiful in that fitted dress, but it's exclusively for my eyes only. Pero anong magagawa ko? Simula pa noong pinalano namin ito ay ideya niya ang lahat. Damn it. I'll make sure that after this mission, hindi ko na siya pagsusuotin ng ganyang klaseng damit. If she needs to wear sweatshirt and sweatpants, then be it. Para wala nang makakita sa katawan niya. I don't want other men looking at her like hungry beast. For sure, once she step inside that club, every guy will go crazy over her. At subukan lang nilang bastusin or hawakan na kahit daliri man lang niya, I will fucking break their bone or kill them. Kahit na si De Vera man na yan. Mapapadali ang buhay niya kapag nagkataon. I tried to offer my jacket but she refused. Kung wala lang kami sa mission, ay hindi siya galit sa akin. Baka hindi ko na nakontrol ang sarili kong tanggalin na lang ang lahat ng saplot at ikulong siya sa kwarto at gawin ang iniisip niya kanina. I like the idea to having kids with her, but damn it, why I am even thinking about that? Look, she cuts me off. Let's talk about it later. She unfastened her seatbelt at inayos ang wig niya. She still looks gorgeous with that short hair. Huminga ako ng malalim, hard-headed as ever. Fine, just let me know if that De Vera is harassing you and I'm going. I can take care of myself. Mabilis niyang sabi. I hate how she's talking to me. Fuck. Just tell me, and don't you ever drink. If he offers you one, just don't drink it. Paalala ko. Gio, I know what I'm gonna do. Just say yes, Venice. Don't drink. You understand? She was low tolerance when it comes to alcoholic drinks. And to think na baka kung ano pang inilagay ni De Vera sa inumin niya, iyon mas mabuti nang maingat. Yes. Pwede na ba akong lumabas? Tumango ako. Take care. We're just at your back. She nods. I kiss her forehead and next to her lips, pero bago pa dumampi ang labi ko, ay iniwas niya ang mukha niya. Great. That damn hurts. Ariana would love that. And with that, she went out of the car. Damn it. I just watched her walking hanggang sa makapasok siya sa club. May nanghihintay na naman sa kanya kasabwat namin sa loob para ipaliwanag sa kanya isa sa mga babaeng nagtatrabaho sa club. Hindi kasi basta-basta ang club na ito. And on ko na ang earpiece ko. Is everyone ready? I asked. Yes, boss. On our way. Gio. I'm serving already, Charlize. I'll go inside. Sagot ko. Tinungo ko na ang daan papasok. As usual, loud music welcomed me, as well as the different lights. Nasa dalawang palapag ang club na ito. VIP rooms are in the second floor. My eyes are automatically searching for Venice. Papalapit niya yung babaeng dapat na pupunta kay De Vera ngayon. The place is quiet dark, kaya hindi ko siya mahanap. I went directly in front of those bartender to order a drink at umupo ako sa isa sa mga stalls. Nilibot ko ulit ang tingin ko. Call boss, baka mahalata ka nila, said the woman I was looking for through our piece. At doon ko lang siya nakita with someone na kasabwat namin dito sa loob. They're making their way upstairs para tumungo sa isang mga VIP rooms na kinalagyan ni De Vera. She didn't look at me at nagpatuloy lang siya sa paglalakad. I can't help but to watch her. Hindi ako mapakali every time na mawala siya sa paningin ko. I must be really worried about her to think that she's the only person who's gonna be with De Vera dahil ihahatid lang siya nung kasama niya. Naniniwala naman ako sa kakayahan niyang ipagtanggol ang sarili niya pero hindi ko pa rin maiwasang mag-alala. Damn it. Gusto kong iuntog ang sarili ko. This is not fucking me. Nilago ko ang in-order kong alak. But can you blame me if I've fallen in love with her hard that it makes me worry all the time for her safety? Boss, we're here. Doval. Go to your assigned places. Pasimple kong sabi. Roger that. Sinasabi ko na nga bang at nandito ka. Napapikit na lang ako ng maraan when I heard the familiar voice. Oh please, not now. Hindi pa nga kami okay ni Venice. What the hell are you doing here? Bumaling ako kay Ariana. Damn, this woman. Boss, anong nangyari dyan? Gio, hindi ko siya pinansin. Naririnig nilang lahat ang sinasabi ko dahil naka-on ang earpiece ko. I wanna help, honey. I bit my lower lip because of frustration. You're not fucking part of this thing. I was cut off by Venice's voice. I'm sorry, a little bit late, honey. That's the cue that she's already in the Vera's room. She gave me and emphasized the word honey. Narinig ko naman ang boses ni De Vera. There's no problem of being late. If it's you, darling. Naikayom ko ang kamao ko. As much as I don't want imagine things, ay hindi ko mapigilan. Gusto kong manuntok ngayon. What if he's already touching Venice? I just fucking need to wait for the sign para makapasok sa kwartong iyon. We're going to do this operation as quiet and neat as possible. The enemy are just around. Not too fast, honey. Narinig ko ang sabi ni Venice. Sinasabi ko na nga ba? I really wanted to help Han. Parang wala naman tayong pinagsamahan sa mga ganitong bagay. Napatingin ulit ako sa kaharap kong si Ariana. We've talked about this and don't meddle with our plan. Just get out of here. I seriously said. Magsasalita pa sana siya but I stopped her and glared at her. Haha. My bad. Of course, you wanted to be special, right? Narinig ko na naman ang sinabi ni De Vera mula sa earpiece ni Venice. You got it right, honey. Malambing niya pa ring sagot. Okay then, magpainit muna tayo sa inuming ito, sabi ni De Vera. Don't you dare drink at alcohol, Venice. Pagpapaalala ko, I heard the click sound of the glasses. This is good. Tumawa naman ng malakas si De Vera. Damn it. Ang tigas talaga ng ulo. Kahit kailan. I knew it. Ininom niya ito. Damn it, woman. When you are gonna listen, I whispered. I'm starting to piss off. You smell so good. Malakas at maliwanag ang boses na iyon ni De Vera, kaya malamang ay malapit siya sa tenga ni Venice. Damn, you old man. Kumiyom ang kamao ko. I gritted my teeth tired. Really? Humalakhak si De Vera. Your face is so red, darling. I guess hindi ka sanay uminom. But you look hotter with that red cheeks. Well, that drink was just too hard. Not my kind of drink. Shit. I know the alcohol starts kicking on. Based na rin sa pagsasalita niya. But it tastes great, isn't it? Are you okay? I asked her. Of course. Hindi na ako makapagtimpi. Fuck the plan. But there's no need to wait. Hindi ko na nagustuhan ang naririnig ko. And who knows what's happening in that fucking room. Dovala, Charles, on the count of 3, go and... The whole place become dark. Biglang tumahimik ang kanilang maingay na musika at mga taong nagkakasiyahan. Pati si Venice ay wala akong marinig mula sa kanya. I want to go to that fucking room, but I heard a shotgun that made me stop. I'm positive that it was from that fucking room. That when I heard another gunshot at nagsimulang magkagulo ang mga tao sa loob. Kahit na ang mga tao ni De Vera ay nagsimulang pumunta sa kwartong iyon. How can I go near them? Fuck. Kailangan ko pa silang patumbahin lahat. Another gunshot outside and inside of this club. Fucking cheetahs. Matthew, what the fuck are they doing here? Someone sabotaged our plan. Charlie's. Probably the cheetahs that Charles says. Shit. Venice. Venice, can you hear me? Where are you? Are you okay? No answer. Fuck. Charles. Tumakbo ako papunta sa second floor to check Venice pero hindi agad ako makapasok dahil nandoon mga tauhan ni De Vera. They're trying to open the damn door but it was locked. Nagsimula na rin ang putukan. Shit, this is all cheetah fault. Damn. Pinaputukan ko na rin ang mga lalaking nasa tapat ng kwarto kung nasaan si Venice pero hindi pa rin ako makalapit dahil madami silang nakabantay at hindi ko na alam kung tauhan pa ba ito ni De Vera o ang mga cheetahs. It's dark and I couldn't fucking distinguish them. Basta ang alam ko lang ay pinapatay ko ang nasa daan ko. I need to go to Venice. We can't go inside the room. We're in trouble. Mas lalo lang uminit ang ulo ko nang marinig ko iyon. Who knows what's happening inside that fucking room? Matapos ang ilang minuto ay napatay ko na ang mga nakaharang sa daraanan ko. Boss, De Vera is dead. Nasa harapan ko ngayon si Charles and it seems like he just came out from the room. What? We're late. Doval. Pumasok na rin ako sa loob at nakita ko ngang nakabulagta si De Vera sa sahig, breathing with his own blood. Where's Venice? Was she the one who did this to him? I guess not. Hindi siya nagbabago ng plano at kung siya nga ay dapat sinabihan niya tayo. Fuck. Then may kumuha sa kanya at siya ang pumatay kay De Vera. Limayri, track her. Sigaw ko sa earpiece. Yes, boss. She's fucking unresponsive. Tumakbo ako palabas ng kwarto at pinutukan ulit ang mga nagtatangkang humarang sa daraanan ko. Damn it. Where are you, Watson? Something is telling me to find her outside, but just like what I expected, no fucking trace or of her. Boss, bad news. Limayri, spell it. I track her earrings at napunta ako sa kabilang kwarto, right side of the room she was in. May secret way pala sa pader, and maybe they have used it to escape kasama si Italia. I cursed. They knew this is gonna happen. Hindi lang kami naging handa sa biglaan nilang pagsulpot. Another fuck up plan, but I don't care with that plan anymore. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan ay kung sino ang pumatay kay De Vera at kumuha kay Venice. Malamang iisa lang ang taong gumawa nun. I felt so fucking useless at the same moment. I don't even know where to fucking find her. Kinakabahan ako sa posibleng mangyari. They're using her against me. That's why I hate to fucking enter in a relationship because I know our enemies are just waiting for the right time to fucking take someone who's important to me dahil alam nilang iyon ang isang kahinaan ko. But fuck them all. I will find them in their graves at sisiguraduhin kong pagsisihan nila kung bakit pa sila nabuhay sa mundong ito. I won't stop looking for her. Fuck. She can handle or save herself, I know. That she's nowhere to be found. And that only means she really is in a big damn trouble. I'm gonna find you, Venice. Wherever you are, wait for me.